Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a steak in my Instant Pot, Sous Vide style. And if you don't know what that is, don't feel bad because I haven't done it before either. Should be interesting. The way Sous Vide works is you put a steak in a Ziploc bag, then you warm it in water for about an hour or so. Well, it depends on the size of your steak, how long you warm it, but what you do is, and then you sear it at the end. You take it out of the bag and sear it at the end. So this is about a 1 pound T-bone steak here, and I seasoned this with salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper last night and put it in the fridge. So I just pulled it out. I'm going to put it into this Ziploc bag here, and I'm going to try to get the air out the best that I can. I think that's pretty good. The steak sunk to the bottom, so I guess I got most of the air out. And I put warm water in the pot, so I'm starting out with warm water so it won't have to heat up. We'll get the lid on there. Now let's see if I can figure out how to set up the pot here. You do this on the ultra setting. So, okay. Ultra. Now it says for a 1-inch steak to cook it 1 to 4 hours. So that is set for an hour and a half. Maybe I'll try that. Let's see here. Okay, an hour and a half. Pressure, we want no pressure. So the pressure is turned off. Now temperature here. You can choose low, medium, high. Low is 131 degrees, which is about what I like a steak. I usually like it cooked to about 130. Medium is 197. High is 208. And custom, you can choose any temperature you want. So that would probably be the one to use. That is set for 132 degrees right now. You know what? I could probably use that, or I could probably use low. I'm just going to try this set for 132 degrees and see how that works. Okay, and then the delay is off, the keep warm is off. Now I think I just push start and let it cook for an hour and a half. All right. It's been an hour and a half and the pot just shut off. There's no pressure to release on this cook, so let's take a look. Well, there's what it looks like. Not too appetizing just like that. Now I guess we will take it out and sear it and see how it turned out. I thought about searing this on my stovetop cast iron grill, but I decided I'm just going to try searing it right in the pot. So I have some avocado oil, and it says on the bottle that this is the highest smoke point of all cooking oils at 520 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll add some of this avocado oil to the pot, and we'll just try searing the steak in there. Alright, I turned the pot to saute, and it's best to sear at a pretty high temperature. So on high, the temperature is 208 on this, but also has a custom setting. So if I turn it to custom, the highest you can turn it up to is 338 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to try that. That oil is getting hot. I can hear it starting to splatter. So let's take the steak out of the bag and get it in there. Man, this thing is pretty hot. It's been a minute or a minute and a half or so, let's see if I can turn this baby over without burning myself here. That's not working too good. Let me see if maybe a fork will work better. Alright. Been a couple minutes on that side. I think that's pretty good. Let's get that out of there. It looks pretty good. I'm real curious to see how the inside looks. So let's cut into this baby and see how it is. Okay, there's what the inside looks like. Not too bad. Let's just cut a piece out of there and try it out. Real curious. I've never had sous vide steak before, so let's see how it is. That turned out really good. It's tender, it's juicy, the flavor's good. It turned out really good for my first try. I'm really happy with that. On that ultra setting, you know, on custom, you can adjust the temperature to exactly what temperature you want. I used 132 for me, and to me that was about right. But if you like it, you know, more well done, you can turn it up, you know, higher, or if you like it more rare than that, you can turn it lower. But that worked out great. I'm really happy with that. If you have one of those pots, you should give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.